Okay, let's start by making sure we have Process Explorer, tcpview, and our batch file. Open up the command prompt. netstat+an shows us that we do not have any foreign connections at this moment. Opening up Internet Explorer, we make a connection and we'll check it out in the command prompt. Same command, and now we can see we have a whole bunch of remote connections. This is our IP address, and most of these connections, if not all, are to port 80 HTTP. Let's bring up tcpview. And if we slide over a bit, we see that here is one example of a connection. My local IP address and the remote IP address. I close Internet Explorer, we see those connections disappear. And we can resolve or unresolve here. Now in Backtrack, make a new directory, we'll also go into that directory and make a second connection and wait, and now go back to Windows and execute the batch file. So the batch file is executing and a connection is being made to Backtrack, and we can click on tcpview and there's our connection right there. We could open Process Explorer and look for this process as well. And now let's go back to Backtrack. In our first connection, we see a connection has been made, so let's Control-C and look inside this file. And we can see that a fair amount of information has been transferred over. If we look in the second terminal that we created, a connection has been made here, and this is of interest here. Back to the Windows machine, we can actually take a look at the batch file. And you'll see here that until we kill this connection, the last command doesn't actually run.